Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Anjuna matter. Number one, the matter is subsidies. The court has directed that the authorities seal the commercial premises. So first thing I think I may have the right to clarify that they have not touched the residential areas. It is primarily only for the commercial areas. The Chief Minister has had a meeting yesterday. I think the Chief Minister has also spoken to all of you. So all I will say is that the government has taken a decision that they should appeal before the Supreme Court. So the Advocate General has been directed to immediately take up the matter, get an appeal filed before the Supreme Court. So we look forward to getting a positive order from the end of the day. The endeavor of the government, the wish of the government, is to provide relief to the people who are affected.
मुरगांव पोर्टावेल्यान कोळसो हाताळटना जावपी प्रदूषण उणें करपाक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिझायन करतले.
We have identified a design of a structure which will reduce or which would bring down to almost zero the dust pollution in Marmagaon port and its surrounding areas.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.